Most men don't really need more information. We already feel like a data dump most days. What we really need is a moment of truth, revelation. So just take a second with me, look at your life right now, your marriage, your money, your energy, your direction, and ask yourself, today, am I honestly where I thought I would be a year ago? And if not, it's probably worth asking, why not? Most men don't suddenly fall apart. They slowly get stuck in a cycle, thinking, planning, dreaming, waiting, and repeating the cycle over and over again. And sometimes it starts to feel like progress, but is it really? The truth is, most men don't fail outright. They just stay the same, year after year after year after year. The same conversations, the same income, same frustrations, the same feelings of, I should be further than this. And the hardest part is, it doesn't feel bad enough to change. So most men just keep going, plodding along, and nothing changes. They listen to another message on YouTube, they watch another video by a great preacher, and they feel motivated, maybe even inspired for a moment. But nothing really shifts, nothing changes. At some point, you have to become dreadfully honest with yourself and ask, how long am I willing to live like this? That's why Dr. Keith Johnson and I are bringing you the Dangerous Confidence Men's Summit. Friday and Saturday, May 29th and 30th. This is not just another event, not just another weekend. This is a reset for your life. This coming Dangerous Man's Weekend is a space where we men can get honest with ourselves. We can let go of hesitation. We can rebuild real momentum. Discover clear direction for your life, your family, your finances, and so much more. Friday and Saturday, May 29th and 30th this year. Be dangerous to the devil. Be dangerous to lack. Be dangerous to confusion, frustration, and cloudy thinking. Be dangerous to lack of clarity and troubled relationships. It all happens for men. The Dangerous Confidence Summit in Lansing, Michigan, Friday and Saturday, May 29th and May 30th. If there's something in you saying, I know it's time for a miracle moment, then stop waiting and start moving. This could be your opportunity for a great advancement in every area of your life. Seating is limited, so register now before it's too late. See the link below to register, and I would love to see you there.